Hello friends, welcome to Amrita Gfx. My name is Amrita and in this video we will learn how to create face cut factory in Photoshop. Here is the final result of the video. But first, if you want to support me, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. It will help me to rank this video. So now let's start this video. First, create a new file. Click on the adjustment layer and select the gradient option. Click this arrow and select the gradient and then hit OK. Select the radial, select the reverse, scale up the size of the radial and then hit OK. Click on the adjustment layer and select the hue saturation. This is our background. Click on the quick selection tool and select the subject. Select the quick selection tool and now select the subject and drag and drop this image. Press Ctrl+T. Resize the image. Now I will flip this image to right. Click on the image and select flip horizontal. Click the quick selection tool, select the subject. And create a new layer mask. Click select and mask soft the edges of the face. And then hit OK. Select this layer to copy. Press Ctrl+J. Right click on this layer and apply layer mask. Hide the layer. Select the pen tool. Slice the face half. Right click on the path and select the make selection and then hit OK. Hide this layer. Click on the rectangle marker tool. Right click on the path and select layer via cut. Click on the selection tool. Drag the face out little bit. Select this layer and create a new layer. Click on the pen tool. Now we will create hollow face. Click on the selection tool. Fill on this layer. Alt plus backspace. Double click on this layer. Select the blade and emboss. Now we will modify depth of the inner face. And then hit OK. Now click on this arrow. Select the create layers. Select this layer select the eraser tool and define the image little bit. Select this layer, click on the eraser tool again. Click on the selection tool and select this layer. Double click on this layer. Select the blade and emboss. Now we will create some depth in this face. And then hit OK. Now we will decorate this face with drag and drop this image. Click on the drop down box and select liner 1. Press Ctrl plus T. Select some part of the face. Click on the eraser tool. Erase this selection. Click on this layer and press Ctrl plus J. Click on the lasso tool again. Select the forehead. Click on the eraser tool again and remove the selection. That's all for now. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest update of the new video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Take care. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.